Transform your kitchen. 5 stunning acrylic kitchen colors ideas. Transform your kitchen with stunning acrylic colors that elevate your design and inspire creativity in every meal. The kitchen is the heart of the home, where color enhances aesthetics and influences mood and functionality. Choosing the right hues can transform an ordinary space into a stunning sanctuary that reflects your personal style. Acrylic finishes offer a sleek and durable canvas for adventurous color schemes, perfect for busy kitchens. High-gloss cabinets resist stains and scratches, making them ideal for a space that never takes a day off. Explore 5 stunning acrylic color ideas to redefine your kitchen: bold reds, serene blues, fresh greens, elegant whites, and vibrant yellows. Each color brings unique qualities to your culinary quarters. Bold reds evoke strong emotions and stimulate appetite, transforming a mundane kitchen into a vibrant hub. Red acrylic cabinetry or countertops contrasted against neutral backdrops create a stunning focal point. For example, high-gloss red cabinets paired with earthy beige walls yield an invigorating yet balanced aesthetic. Red acrylic backsplashes or bar stools add playful touches that enhance visual interest. Serene blues bring calmness and sophistication to your kitchen. Light blues make small kitchens feel expansive, while deeper hues create coziness. Sky blue acrylic cabinetry pairs beautifully with white countertops or natural wood finishes. Layering glossy blue cabinets with raw wood accents or sleek metallic fixtures adds depth and texture. Powder blue cabinets with brushed brass hardware create an inviting contrast that draws people into the space. Fresh greens, associated with nature and harmony, create a cozy environment. Soft greens enhance visual appeal and foster tranquility. Emerald acrylic cabinet fronts paired with matte black countertops offer a striking contrast. Green acrylic features blend seamlessly in rustic and modern designs. Olive green acrylic cabinets with brass hardware provide sophistication. Herbs planted on shelves echo the freshness of the cabinetry color. Elegant whites epitomize versatility and sophistication. White creates an illusion of space and light, making kitchens feel open and airy. White acrylic finishes reflect light, enhancing the bright environment. Layering textures in a white color scheme adds visual interest. Matte acrylic cabinets paired with glossy countertops or intricate backsplash tiles introduce subtle shimmer. Natural textures like wood accents elevate the aesthetic. Vibrant yellows infuse energy and cheer into your kitchen. Yellow evokes happiness and positivity, fostering an environment for socializing and culinary exploration. Lemon shades to butter tones define your kitchen ambience. Pairing yellow acrylic cabinetry with neutral elements like grey or white countertops creates harmonious contrast. Yellow accents on backsplashes or pendant lighting draw attention without overwhelming the space. For instance, sunflower yellow cabinets with slate grey countertops provide a balanced pop of color. Yellow acrylic combinations in modern farmhouse or urban kitchens showcase the color's flexibility. In conclusion, exploring vibrant yellows can transform your kitchen into a joyful, energetic space. Thoughtful design choices ensure balance, whether through subtle hints or central themes, making your culinary heaven truly unique.